everyone, my name is Joyce Villarniana and I am from section CRIM 3A, and for today's activity, we have laboratory work 6, which is the glass and glass fragment examination. So let's start. So now we'll be discussing about the activity 1, which is the glass and its basic components. The objective is to determine the basic components of glass and to know the importance in the study of criminal investigation. So the question is, what is glass? Glass is a supercooled liquid which possesses high viscosity and rigidity. It is a hard brittle that is composed of sand with a mixture of various metal oxides such as silica, boric oxide, and phosphorus pentoxide. So the question is, how glass is made? So I'll be showing you a short video clip. So now let's proceed to the next question. What is the difference between Pyrex glass and safety glass, or also known as tampered glass? So as what you can see in the screen, this is how it looks like, a Pyrex glass. So a Pyrex glass, in the definition, it is a type of glass that is resistant to heat, chemicals, and electricity. On the other hand, a safety glass or tempered glass is a type of glass which is processed and controlled by thermal or chemical treatment to increase its strength. A safety glass is also known as toughened glass. So this is, as what you can see in the screen, this is how a safety glass looks like. So now, why do we need to study glass fragments and fractures? So to start with, glass can be everywhere. So in relation to criminal investigation, glass can be served as one of the evidences found in a crime scene. For example, a glass fragments found in a shoe of a person who is also present at the shooting incident in the street, for example. So those kind of circumstances, those type of situations or scenario, those can be a further lead of investigation. So it is one of the elements why we need to study glass fragments and fractures. It may provide a situation or scenario of what really happened. And also, studying glass fragments and fractures would provide an idea of how crime was committed by the suspect. Kusog ba og impact na hit ang glass or whatsoever. So now we are on the part 2 of the laboratory work 6, which is the examination of glass fracture by a gunshot. The objective on this activity is to determine the direction of braking force caused by gunshot on a glass pane. Since we cannot do the firing, I'll be showing you a cut video clip.
What you are seeing is an entrance hole. It formed fractures on the glass due to the penetration, and based on my research, an entrance hole is neater in cut, smooth, and in a clean cut. On the other hand, we have here the exit hole, in which it is large and messy, and there is a crater-like appearance. We also have here an examination when 2 bullets were shot. And as what you can see, it is kind of bit hard to tell and locate where among the two is the first shot and the second shot. But to differentiate the created holes, radial fractures in the first shot go all the way out than the second shot. On the other hand, the radial fractures on the second shot stops when meet with the radial fractures in the first shot. So this is how to determine first shot from second shot, by analyzing the created radial fractures. So as what you can see, there are lots of glass fragments may seen in the video.
Good day everyone, my name is Joyce Villarniana
And I am Mariel Estinhel.
and today we'll be performing the part 3 of laboratory work 6, which is the examination of glass fracture when struck by hammer or stone. The objective here is to determine the breaking force caused by a blunt instrument in a glass pane. So let's start. So we have here the materials, the hammer, the Manila paper, and the glass pane. So let's start.
So this is the result of a glass pane when struck with a hammer. So as what you can see, there are radial fractures and concentric fractures. And if we take a look on it and zoom in, there you see it clearly.